Now we will do unit 11 of Gregg Shorthand book, anniversary edition, chapter 4, page 52, lesson 11. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. If you have any idea, if you want if you need any help in Gregg Shorthand, you can contact me. I will make a WhatsApp group if you would like, and we can help each other. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi, as I told you, and please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. Let's start the main thing for which you are here. Wave, wall, wait, wade, waded, with, widow. Next is win, vain, women, wake, waked, walk, weave, waste. Next is wash, watch, wages, wage, wear, weary, wool, water. Next, weep, web, wheat, wheel, whim, whip, whale, whirl. Next, quick, queen, quit, quote, acquit, equity, queer, twin, dwell, sweet, squall, swim, swell, swift, doorway, doorway. Okay, next. Ahead, away, awake, awoke, await, awake, awaken. It was awaken. Now we have frequent phrases. We are, we will, we shall, we can. We are, we will, we shall, we can. We are not, we will not, we shall not, we cannot. We are not, we will not, we shall not, we cannot. We shall be, we have. We shall be, we have been, and then we have not. Next is word, reply, word, body, duty, bring. Next is house, house, house. Remark, room, follow, fall, accept, gone, nature, suppose, weather, further, explain, particular, report. We have completed lesson 11. Now it's time for lesson number 12. We will do lesson number 12 in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful for you. Thank you for watching.